Is it possible that the most significant change to the American healthcare system isn't coming from a government agency, but from a partnership between a former president and a billionaire entrepreneur? Today, we are looking at a move that has the pharmaceutical industry on high alert and millions of Americans asking if, finally, there is a real solution to the skyrocketing costs of their prescriptions. Before we continue, if you want to stay on top of everything happening in US politics, hit that subscribe button right now and leave a like. It really helps this channel grow and ensures you never miss a breaking update on the stories that actually affect your wallet and your future. President Trump has officially announced a massive expansion of his drug coupon platform, TrumpRx, adding over 600 generic medications to the database. But the real headline here isn't just the sheer number of drugs being added, it is the man standing right next to him. Mark Cuban, the billionaire investor and well-known advocate for affordable medication, has joined the White House rollout to endorse the platform. During the announcement, it was revealed that the initiative is increasing the number of available drugs by nearly 7 times, effectively turning what was once a modest coupon site into a comprehensive resource for generic drug access. For years, we have seen the cost of basic prescriptions climb to unsustainable levels. We've heard the promises from politicians on both sides of the aisle, but for the average citizen, the reality at the pharmacy counter hasn't changed much until now. By leveraging the scale of this platform, the goal is to bypass the traditional pharmacy benefit manager model that many argue is responsible for the inflated prices at the register. The inclusion of 600 new generics isn't just a number, it represents a lifeline for patients struggling with chronic conditions, from diabetes to high blood pressure, who have been forced to choose between their health and their rent. But what does this actually mean for the power dynamics in Washington and Wall Street? This is a strategic alliance that crosses the traditional partisan divide. Seeing Mark Cuban, who has been a vocal critic of many policies over the years, standing shoulder to shoulder with President Trump to champion this platform suggests that the hunger for healthcare reform is becoming a unifying priority. If this initiative gains traction, it could strip significant power away from the pharmaceutical middlemen who currently control the supply chain. It forces the question, can a private-public hybrid model actually succeed where government mandates have failed? However, we have to look at the potential hurdles. The pharmaceutical lobby is one of the most powerful forces in the country. They have a vested interest in the current system, and they will undoubtedly push back against any platform that cuts into their profit margins by making cheaper alternatives more accessible. We are likely to see a flurry of legal challenges, regulatory scrutiny, and a massive PR campaign designed to cast doubt on the safety and efficacy of these generics. The outcome of this project will depend entirely on adoption rates. If the public embraces it, it creates a new market reality that even the biggest drug companies won't be able to ignore. If it falters, it could be used as a political weapon by opponents to claim that private initiatives are no substitute for systemic legislative reform. We are watching a pivotal moment where economic populism meets free market disruption. Whether you view this as a genuine breakthrough or a strategic political maneuver, one thing is clear: the status quo in the pharmaceutical industry is being challenged in a way we haven't seen in decades. This is about more than just pills, it is about who holds the power to decide what health costs in America. So, what do you think about this? Do you believe Mark Cuban's involvement gives this project the credibility it needs to succeed? Or is this just another political distraction? Drop your opinion in the comments below. I read every single one, and I want to hear your perspective on this major development. This story is evolving rapidly, and as we monitor the fallout between the pharmaceutical giants and this new, scaled-up platform, we will be here to break down exactly what it means for your daily life. Thank you for tuning in, and stay informed.